A Walmart return without a receipt usually gets handled through your payment method or store lookup, not a paper receipt. That means most refunds still go through, but the store decides whether to approve it based on purchase proof and item condition. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how Walmart checks your purchase, what they accept instead of a receipt, and what to do if they can't find your order in their system. Walmart doesn't rely only on paper receipts anymore. Most purchases are stored digitally, especially if you paid with a card or used a Walmart account online. That's the main way they try to recover your purchase history when you walk in without proof. First option is card lookup. If you used a debit or credit card, customer service can often scan or manually check recent transactions tied to that card. You'll need the same card you used at checkout. If the purchase shows up, they can process a refund or exchange depending on the item and return policy. Second option is Walmart account or app history. If you were logged in while shopping online or in-store pickup, your order is already saved. You just show the order inside the Walmart app or email confirmation. This is the easiest case because it already counts as proof of purchase. Third option is ID-based returns. If there's no receipt and no digital record found, Walmart may still allow a return, but they'll usually require a valid photo ID. The return gets logged into their system to track no receipt returns. This is more limited and often results in store credit instead of cash back. Now here's what actually matters. Condition decides everything. Items that are unopened and resellable are far more likely to be accepted. Electronics, hygiene products, and clearance items are more restricted and often rejected without a receipt. If your purchase can't be found at all, your best move is to go back to the exact payment method first. Then, check your email for Walmart receipts. After that, go in person with the item and ID, so the system can try a manual lookup. To sum it up, Walmart usually recovers your purchase through your card or account, not the receipt itself. If that fails, ID-based returns are the backup option. And item condition is what determines whether you get cash, store credit, or no return at all. If this helped, like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step guides like this.